In this video, we're going to look at how to install the Zoom teleconferencing software utilizing Internet Explorer. So Zoom software is used for a lot of purposes for telecommuting on the internet, and especially with the current pandemic, or for whatever reason you're looking to use Zoom, you're going to find it to be greatly productive. So the scenario behind this install is that I, as a meeting attendee, have received either an invite via email or in some other form, a link to join a meeting. Now, if I've never run Zoom before, it's going to ask me to install a plugin software, Zoom Desktop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click up here and I am going to paste or copy and paste the link for my Zoom meeting into Internet Explorer. Now from there it says when prompted I need to run, and if you notice it's wanting to install a Zoom executable. Now I want to really make sure that I am in fact, as you can see in my URL here as I zoom in, no pun intended on zooming in, that it is zoom.us. So I want to make sure that I'm not going to get phished, that I am downloading the site from the official Zoom, or downloading the software from the official Zoom site. Now I don't need to save this. I just want to go ahead and install it. So I'm going to choose run, and it is going to go ahead and install the Zoom client onto my machine. Now, of course, I'm in Internet Explorer. I'm using Windows 10 for this demo. So once it installs, it's going to go ahead and dynamically, without me having to restart the browser, it's going to go ahead and start up the meeting, as you'll see there. Now, because I'm an attendee, it's going to ask me for my name. I'm going to put in student, and you'll see why in just a minute, and then I'm going to click join my meeting. Now, on my other computer, I actually have the meeting open as the meeting host, waiting for people to come in. So they've gone ahead and the host is on there. You can see me over in the corner. Here I am, right there. Shaka, everybody. And I'm ready to join. Now back here on the student machine, I need to have a microphone or some way if I'm going to communicate with the host of the meeting, okay? Now, what you'll do is you'll come down here, you can click here, and you can see I have a couple different microphones available. I can click a microphone. I can also test that microphone. I can unmute. Sorry about that. I forgot there would be crossfeed. So I can unmute there. If I have a webcam, I can make sure that it's pre-installed on my computer, and I can start my webcam here. So if I start my webcam, then as you can see right here, hello everybody, I am the student at the top, and over here, I am the instructor on the bottom. So there are not two of me. I do not have a twin, but you get the idea. Hopefully this helped you install the software and have a great productive meeting in Zoom. Take care.